What's up, YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. And I realized I never did a mods video on this. So we are going to do that today. Today we're going to be talking about current and future mods. So the mods that we currently have are the mods that I got done at the dealership at the time that I bought the bike. And that is the windshield that we have here. I don't remember the cost on that. It was probably a couple $100. And the handguards. Those are the two mods that I got pre-installed at the dealership. Nice. It is such a nice day today. And the reason that I had to get those done at the dealership before I purchased the bike is so that they would be on the bill of sale. And that is coming up on an upcoming video. So that'll probably be next week's video. So those are the two current mods, and future mods that I would like to do are not a whole lot. This bike is pretty much great how it is. So a couple things that I would like to do. The 2020 version, actually. This is the 2021. It's got the OD green military colored plastics, which I do like. They're kind of growing on me. In the pictures it looks gray on the Zero's website, but in person it's OD green. But I would like to find somebody who had a 2020 and switch them plastics, so I could have the black plastics with like the blue lettering. I think that would look really cool. Nobody, and I've looked, trust me, I've looked, nobody makes aftermarket plastics for these yet. Even though they've been out for years now, nobody makes aftermarket plastics for them. So that would be one mod, and I am in a Global Zero group on Facebook, so I would be able to find somebody, and I would obviously pay for shipping. Take your plastics off, I'll pay for shipping, ship them to me, I'll switch them out and ship you the old plastics. It can't be that hard. There's 1, 2 right here, and then there's the tail piece, which I think that is all one plastic. One piece of plastic right there. So it wouldn't be too hard to switch out. And then one other thing I would like to do, I don't even know if it's made either, is switch out this brake lever to a black one instead of the chrome one right here. Kind of black out all of the chrome pieces. On this bike, the foot pegs themselves are black, but the brake lever is chrome. Like, why would you guys do that? It's a little bit of a kind of a weird design choice, but I think having chrome pieces is probably cheaper than making them black from the factory. That would be my guess. Another potential mod, they do make a parking brake for this. So being electric, there's no clutch, there's no gears, it's just direct drive from the motor. I haven't really found an instance where I need that, but they do make that. Like, I haven't been on a steep enough hill, I guess, where you would need the parking brake to keep the bike in position. I haven't found myself in a position where I actually needed that, so that would just be a potential mod, not necessarily one that I would definitely get. And probably one of the final mods, the kickstand is silver, but I do like how it looks, so I would try and like powder coat that black. Ooh, lots of people are out on the lake today. Jeez. But yeah, pretty much like I do with all my other vehicles, get rid of the chrome and make it all black. This seat is actually really awesome. Even though it's only like an inch and a half thick, it's like, look at this. It's got plenty of give to it. It's not hard like some Supermoto seats. You would think they'd be soft because there's so much foam, but a lot of Supermoto and dual sport seats are hard. It's like sitting on a 2x4. So this seat is perfect for me. I love it. And it's really long too. Like I could potentially fit a third person right here along with the passenger behind me. But all that weight would kill my range. And that's pretty much it. We'll pull over here for a second. Look around the bike. Another potential mod would be they do make crash bars, and actually Walterific has them on his Zero FX. But I don't know, they kind of look all weird. Yeah, see the kickstand itself, I like how it looks. We just want it black. These pegs are black, but the passenger pegs are silver. And whatever this is, this cover is silver, and the brake lever is silver. Oh, so that cover is on both sides. So black out those, black out the brake lever, black out the passenger pegs, and I think it would be perfect. Sorry, it's kind of dirty. I keep getting caught in the rain. One other thing I would like to do is, I don't know if it'll actually work, get a 150 wide tire. So this one is a Rossi 2. It's a 140. It's got plenty of room on this side. But this side I would have to either take off the chain guard or trim it in order to fit or the belt guard I should say, in order to fit a 150 tire. But other than that, those are pretty much all the mods. Of course I would like to put this into a singular round headlight and LED, but I don't think that's possible. Alright, let's go. A singular round headlight would look so much better, but that would be a complete custom build. Like nobody makes that, and I know even changing over the turn signals over to LED, that has to be taken back to 0 to be reprogrammed, so it's almost not even worth it. And that would be the last potential mod, is changing everything over to LED, like the turn signals and the brake light. So pretty much the one mod that I really would like to do is the plastics, and everything else would be like optional. Definitely would like to switch it over to black plastics. That would look so good. This OD green, actually, it is growing on me. I didn't really care for it too much. I would have preferred gray, but the green is actually growing on me. I do like it. It kind of matches my hoodie that I normally wear anyway. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that mods update. Let me know if you have any mods you think that would look really cool on here. Leave them down in the comments. But if you liked today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.